doing today? Welcome to summer school. Yes, it is Miss Johnson. Oh, you guys aren't excited? It's gonna be amazing. I'm Miss Johnson. For those of you who don't know, I know Filbert knows, but there's a lot of new faces here because I'm the teacher for all of the school grades, because I'm the best. So yes, many new faces. I see. I hope you guys are excited. I know you didn't really act excited, but I know you're secretly excited because I get to teach you guys, and of course, I'm the best teacher ever. Anyways, it's going to be so much fun. Are you guys ready? Yes, it's gonna be awesome. Well, are you ready to get started? Yeah, you can get your writing books out because we're going to learn a lot that you guys didn't learn in regular school. That's why you're here, isn't it? Why are you here? And you? And you? Well, actually, I don't really want to know. I'll just guess. So, you probably are here for other reasons, right? Let's see. I bet that you didn't do your homework, so you have to do it now, right? And I don't mean some. Like, you skipped a lot. You didn't pay attention during school, so now you have to relearn all of it. Is that right? I knew it. And you didn't have a teacher as good as me, so you didn't learn as well as you could have. Am I right? Of course I'm right. Always. Or maybe your parents want a free babysitter. Is that it? I bet it is. Well, anyways, either way, you're in summer school. I'm very excited to be teaching you. So, well, I guess we should get started with some simple stuff. So get out your writing books like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. Get out your writing books, please, and turn to page, well, you're all on different pages, so please turn to the page that you were last left off. Yes. Good. Let me grab my pen. Is everyone on the page they last left off? Good. So do all those pages. Well, or just the page. And then after you're done with that, raise your hand because we are going to write paragraphs of summer activities you like to do. Oh, wow. You guys are working pretty fast. I'm impressed. I guess you want school to end early so you can go home and do whatever summer things you want to do. I bet that's it. Anyways, let me know when you're done. Oh, good. Seems like everyone's done. Well, like I said, next, get some scratch paper, please. It's in the back left corner of the room, next to the pencil jar and the sharpener over there. So everyone go get some papers, and we're going to write, like I said already, but in case you didn't hear, I'll say it again. We're going to write all of our favorite summer activities to do during the summer, of course. So go get the papers and then write that down. So yeah, you can go ahead and get started. And I'm setting a timer, so let's see. I'll give you 5 minutes, and okay, timer start. 5 minutes. And like you know, raise your hand when you're done, please. Hey, don't whisper. No whispering. Shh. Work. Oh, looks like the 5-minute timer is up, so let's pause that. Okay, kids, you're all done, right? Or at least mostly done? Okay, good. You can pass the papers up here. Yes? Thank you. And I will have to read these all later, or I could read some now. Let's see. Actually, okay, I'll just read them now. Okay, this one says, oh, you wish you could be swimming instead of at summer school. Who's this by? Lucy. Well, Lucy, you should have thought about that when you weren't doing your homework. Then you could have been swimming right now instead of at summer school. So let's see what the next one says. Oh. You wish you could be at your friend's house or at the beach? Well, I'm done reading these, whatever. Anyways, everyone get your science workbooks out and go to the page you last left off on. Yes. So whatever page that is, you're going to do the first question, and that's it. I'm going to make it easy for you guys. Very simple, so you should love me, because I'm the best teacher ever. Understand? Of course you understand, because I'm Miss Johnson, and everyone listens to Miss Johnson no matter what. Anyways, yes, so tell me when you're done, kids. I will be waiting. And I have a prize for something later. A couple of these hoosh balls that are very fun to play with. See? Very fun. Yes. So, whichever kids finish first, not for this, but for something else, then they will get a prize. What should it be? I'm going to make you guys, should it be running a lap, writing a paragraph? What should it be? An art project? Oh, some kind of competition. Since it's all grades here, how about who can do their multiplication facts the fastest? And I'll give you a page that has multiplication facts that are for your age level, so it will be fair, okay? Good. Now tell me when you're done with your science, and we will do that. I will get the papers ready. Let's see. I have my papers in here. And there will be 3 winners, the first 3 kids to finish fastest. Okay, is everyone done with science so we can do this? Chop, chop, we're quick. We don't have a lot of time here. Hurry up. Just finish it later, kids. It's fine. Okay, so I have lots of papers in this binder here, so, I don't even know any of your names. Oh, hi, Chloe. Is that you? Wow, okay, yeah, go ahead. Come on in. Oh, yeah, that's right. You were going to be my helper for summer school. Is that right? Awesome. Well, of course it's you, Chloe. You're the best, of course. Here, do you want to hand these out to all the kids for me? Thank you, Chloe. Amazing. Okay, children, as she passes those out to all of you, you're going to take one, write your name at the top. Of course, don't forget your name. That would be very bad. And then, when I say go, I'm going to set a timer, and you guys are going to start doing your math problems. And the first one to finish is going to put their hand in the air. I'm going to check their paper, and if they're done first and they get it right, then they will get one of these. They're very fun. Okay, everyone have a paper? Thank you, Chloe. Yes, you can sit there, and you want to start the timer for me? Okay. Yeah, ready, set, go. Okay, this is a 1-minute timer, so you better be quick, kids. And I'm just going to play with these until you're done, because they're very fun. Wow, looks like you guys are pretty desperate to earn these little play ball things. I don't even know what they're called. Well, they are pretty fun. Maybe I should just keep them for myself. Oh wait, I'm the best teacher ever. I would never do that. Or I could just give them to Chloe. Whatever. Okay, Chloe, is the timer almost done? Almost? Okay, good. Keep working, kids. I see you're almost finished. Chop, chop. We don't have a lot of time. Are you done? And, okay, the timer's done. Hands up. Wait. I thought we were seeing who was going to finish first. I think you, messed that up a little bit, Chloe. Well, okay, just here, kids, we're going to do that again because, Chloe, I messed it up, Chloe would never mess it up. I messed it up. So, pass these papers out and we're going to do the same thing again. So find your grade level. Yes. And when I say go, I'm going to start a timer. Well, actually, no timer this time, because that's what messed it up last time, Chloe. Chloe. Yes. Okay, everyone have their papers? Good. Write your names at the top. And when I say go, you're going to start. Hey, Philbert, no cheating. Don't start. Oh, I always forget. Flip your papers over so you can't see them. No cheating. Okay, you ready? Set, go. Remember, the first one to finish gets a prize. Well, actually, the first 3. But whatever. Filbert, there's no way you're already done. Keep working. I didn't even realize you were in summer school with me, Filbert. Well, of course you are. You never do your work, but whatever. Okay, I'm watching to see who puts their hands up first, to see who's done first. And then I will check your answers, of course. Looks like no one's done. Well, hurry up, kids. I'm waiting. Taking a while. Oh, someone's done. Who is that? What's your name? Oh, well, just bring me your paper. It doesn't really matter your name. Let me see. Oh, it's in here? Okay. You got everything right. Okay, first prize winner. Which one would you like? Purple? Here you go. Oh, someone else is done. Bring me your paper. Let me see. And you got everything right. Which one would you like? Yellow? Okay, here you go. And let's see. Oh, third place. Oh, oops, I dropped it. Let me check to make sure you got everything right. Nope, you got one wrong. Oh, third place. Let me see. Hold it up. And you got it right. Congratulations. Have your little ball thingy, whatever it is. Okay, Well, thank you, Chloe, for your help. And you know, okay, I have like some extra candy in the back, Chloe. And since I'm the best teacher ever, you can go ahead and pass that out to everyone because I want to get rid of it. Candy is disgusting. I'm never going to eat it. But yeah, the reason is I'm a super nice teacher, of course. So yeah, just hand that out to everyone. Yeah, right back there in the box. Thank you, Chloe. It'll be a participation award. Yes. So, oh, it looks like it's time for recess. Because usually I teach older classes that don't have recess anymore. Well, they're not that old, but whatever. But since this is summer school, I guess everyone gets recess. Some strange rules set by the principal, who is also very weird, who likes signs and stuff. I don't really know, that's very strange. I don't know why they hired her, but yeah. So, go ahead, you're dismissed to recess, and then come right back, snap, quick, chop, 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 very fast, okay? Make it snappy. Don't have much time today. We're already late. So hurry up, go to recess. I'll see you when you get back. Oh, you're back from recess. Good. Well, what was that? Why did you just drop this on my desk? No reason. Oh, well, don't do that. Just sit down, kids. Well, anyways, back to summer school. Sit. Everyone sitting? Good. Oh, Philbert, you have to say something. Well, raise your hand, of course. What do you have to say? Oh, you have a new friend you met at recess. Who? Lenny? Oh, great. Of course you two are friends. Lenny is so annoying, like a troublemaker. Just like you, Philbert. I should have expected that. I should definitely sit you guys way apart so you cannot cause trouble in summer school. That would be bad. Anyways, class, get out your history books right now. Understand? Good. So hurry up and get those history books out. And everyone turn to page 10 for this one. And do question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. Good. And tell me when you're done. Oh, this is so boring in summer school. But at least Chelsea makes it exciting because she's actually nice. You guys are not. Anyways, tell me when you're done. Chelsea, you can go around and assist people if they need any help. Since we have all grades here and you might want to help the younger kids. Well, I'm just going to fix my hair because it looks pretty bad. But whatever, this is summer school. I'm definitely going to make your guys' recess way shorter next time. That was so long and boring sitting here in the classroom doing nothing. Are you almost done? Oh, good job, Chelsea, helping them all. Very nice of you. Thank you. Okay, looks like about half the class is done. Good, you guys are fast. And the other half of the class is very slow. Probably because that's the side with Filbert and Gilbert. Oh wait, Gilbert's not here. Oh, well, that's the side with Filbert and Lenny, so of course it's slow. Well, hurry, kids. I'm getting bored and I want to go home so I can go to the store and buy some stuff, like more fake plants, because I need some more. I mean, real. Totally real. Be quiet. Stop laughing. Oh, you're all done? Oh, of course you're done because Chelsea helped you guys. Well, good. Go put your books back in the back of the classroom, okay? Good. And now we're going to make sure we have everything in our emergency kits. So everyone go find your emergency kits in your backpacks or wherever they are. And we're going to do a checklist. Understand? Yeah, go get them. Making some notes. Once you have your first aid kits, just sit there. Okay, kids, are you ready? Oh, sorry, that was a little intense for you. I'm starting to get in a bad mood because you guys are not listening. Well, kids, are you ready? Good. Just make sure you have the basic stuff, whatever. A granola bar, you guys have that. Good, okay. Band-Aids, flashlight, extra batteries for the flashlight. Okay, good. There's a bunch of other random stuff, but I don't really think we need to check it off. It's not very important. So I'm just gonna put this away because I don't really need that anymore. All this boring emergency kit stuff. Just put all that away, kids. We don't even need it. Doesn't even matter. someone say something? Of course I'm sure. Just put it away. I'm the smartest teacher in this school. How dare you question what I think? I am the best in every way. Definitely the best. Well, class, I think our day is almost over. My hair is very messy because of you guys stressing me out. It's not funny. I'm kind of glad you're in summer school. You know what? Maybe I should keep you extra today so you can't go home and see your friends. And so you can't go home and swim. I should do that. Oh, there goes the bell. Fine, I'll dismiss you because I'm nice. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.